Hi there, this is part 2 of my repair on the Moog sub Phatty. Unfortunately I've hit a bit of a dead end on this because this, if you can see that on the scope there, this is the output, the mix output at the moment. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, this is in active panel mode. No matter what I adjust on this panel, it stays like this, which looks like noise or something to me. If I turn the noise control down to the minimum, it stays the same. Nothing is altering this signal in the active panel mode. So when I put it into the preset mode, you can see it's more orderly signal there. Let me just change the time base here. There. Hope you can see that. There's a lot of sun, but change it. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it is changing. But panel's not doing anything. This keyboard's not making any difference at all. Nothing at all. The pitch wheel and the modulation's doing nothing at all to the signal. See, nothing. So anyway, I've opened this up. As you saw in the last thing, it's open now. Switch mode power supply. I checked all the supplies, fine. As you can see, it's all surface mounted ICs. The scope is plugged in here, which is the mix out. I've checked VCO1 and VCO2. The signals are fine on there, but they're not changing with panel changes. Anyway, I checked the keyboard as well. On the back of this left board here, this is where the keyboard comes in, all the make and break signals. They look about normal with the clock and everything, so the keyboard signals are getting onto here, but ultimately the panel's not working, the keyboard's not working. Everything is processed by this surface mount IC here, and I think it's that IC that's faulty. I've checked all of these other decoders and amps and everything. I think it's that's faulty. I've done a factory reset on this, and it did actually make this work properly. It needed factory resetting, but it's made no difference at all. You see, I've got it plugged in here. It's plugged into my amplifier. No output at all, unfortunately. So I suspect, since everything is going through that surface mount IC, that it's that's faulty. So I've had a look at how much these go for on eBay, and I've had a look to see if I can get a main board for this. There's no main boards available, and there's none of those surface mount ICs available. So I've come to a full stop on this, unfortunately. Even if there was a main board available, these keyboards tend to go for between 350 and 400 pounds. So I would say it was not economical to repair. So unfortunately, there's not really a lot I can do with this. I've tried my best on this. I shall just give it back to the customer without charge, because my estimates are not charged. So yeah, it's unfortunate really, but I'm pretty sure that surface mount IC is gone, and I have looked online. I can't find that IC. Even if I could change the IC, which would take quite a lot to do that, I don't think it's economical to repair this, unfortunately. So you can see how many pins has that got? A lot of pins. So yeah, unfortunately this is not economical to repair. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have better keyboard next time and better news.